Junior Space Rangers, listen up. Zurg is using the stolen battery cells to energize a secret weapon. Our mission is to find his robots and his secret weapon and blast them. Green Squadron will retrieve the power cells, while the rest of you concentrate on those robots. You'll rendezvous at Planet Z. I will remain here at Star Command to coordinate the mission. Battle stations, report to the flight deck for immediate launch. To infinity and beyond.
Our destination today is quite extraordinary, a newly erupting deep water volcano.
please make sure to raise your hand, okay? I'll raise mine too, and I'll always combine it together. You guys know I'd never get you close to any real kind of danger, right? You know what? I take it back. That looks like fun. Let's see what's going on. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, guys. Do you see that? I can't believe it. It's a shipwreck. Oh no. PA isn't plugged in. You know what? Let's just quit driving. That's no good. Folks, it's what you've all been waiting for. The beautiful, the immaculate, the luscious, the fantastic, the amazing, the backside of water! Over here on your right-hand side, it's the front side of rock. It's not the rock you're expecting on Duck Cruise, huh? So without further ado,
yours. May the Force be with us.
Commander Palmtown and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Dakara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
Little Twig, get out there!
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this.
Well, let's just say that will be bad for you.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Attention North Bridge. Prisoners are seen You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields.
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Abandoned ship. I repeat, abandoned ship. The destroyer's about.
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Okay, you're clear.
Your escape routes came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're Resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know, scan for his pocket.
4 escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from Key Command personnel.